If you arrived to this video, it's because you want to connect your Google Ads data to Cloud. You want Cloud to help you optimize your Google Ads campaign and understand if there's been money wasted on keywords and search terms with the wrong intent. By the end of this video, I'm going to explain you three options that you have to connect your Google Ads data to Cloud. Let's go. The first option that you have is to go into your Google Ads, then select the date range that you want to export, click on download and export it in a CSV format. After you have that file, you can upload it to Cloud and then ask questions around that file to Cloud. However, this has a big constraint, and is that whenever you want to refresh your data, you will have to run this same process all over again, pretty manual. That's not something that we want. We want to automate the stuff, and that's what we are going to do with the second process. The second option that you have, my favorite, is to connect your Google Ads data via the Porter Metrics MCP. This option is great because it gives you live data. You don't need to code, and also is portable across AI tools. So let's find out how we can connect the Porter Metrics MCP to your cloud. To do so, you have to go into portermetrics.com, you log in or create your account. Don't worry, we have a free forever plan, and you can connect not only Meta Ads, you can connect Google Ads, Shopify, CRMs, many more data sources. Then you click on create, you select cloud, you select the data sources. In this case will be Google Ads, and then you authorize the accounts that you want Porter to get access to. After that, we go to cloud. Right now I'm using cloud desktop. You click on customize, then you select connectors, you click on the plus button, you select add custom connector, you name your connector. In this case will be Porter Metrics. Then in the remote MCP server URL, you paste this URL that is in the description below and in the first comment. Then you click on add. Now you click on connect, you allow access, and then you will have to log into your email account, the same one that you used to create your account in Porter Metrics. Then you will see a message telling you that we are connected. You click on open in desktop app and you will see us as a connector. You will see in the right panel the tools that the MCP is using. By default, you will see a hand icon selected. That means that whenever the connector wants to do a request or something, it will require your approval. I suggest that you move all of those hand icons to the check mark. By doing so, you are giving permission to Cloud to run all of these tools all the time. So it's easier, so you are not disturbed whenever you are doing something. Now we are connected to your cloud, and now you can access to any account that you have authorized in your Porter Metrics account. So let's run a quick test. And I'm gonna prompt this. Please access my Porter Metrics Google Ads account and create a performance analysis of the ads we have run this year to date. I want to understand what have been the best campaigns by keyword regarding impressions and CTR, find opportunities and learnings for future campaigns. Let's hit on enter, and now Cloud will start thinking. You can see that it says reading Porter Metrics skill. Don't worry about that. That happens because I need to hide some information to show you how it works, some sensitive information. But as soon as the MCP starts working, you can see our logo here and all the tools that Cloud is calling to solve the question that I did. It may happen that if you have more than one account connected to Porter Metrics, then Cloud will ask you which account are you referring to. In this case, I'm referring to Porter Metrics, so that's the one that I'm gonna pick. Now it's going to start creating the dashboard. This is my favorite part because all of these visualizations really help me to get better understanding of the account. Awesome. So it says we had a total impressions of 692, total clicks 33, really bad, an overall CTR of 4.77%, and we spent $221. Here we have the keywords that we were targeting. We're marketing data reporting, agency reporting, attribution data marketing, and all the impressions, CTR, clicks, and spend per each campaign. That's pretty useful. Now there are some impressions and distribution charts by keyword, also a CTR comparison, and some opportunities and learnings. That's pretty useful. That's exactly what I asked. The third option to connect your Google Ads data to cloud is to send all your Google Ads data first to a data warehouse such as Google BigQuery. You can do so with Ads Porter Metrics. You can go and check out the video we have done already around that. And after you do that, you can go into cloud and use the Google BigQuery connector to get access to those tables and then start running analysis. This is pretty useful if you have a huge amount of data that you need to store, or if you already have Google BigQuery and you're storing all your marketing data information there. So you make this process faster. I hope this tutorial was useful. See you in the next one.